banomona ngoba uguluvu uyanona. Yebo Cleveland sazogcwala ngale style zamampela esingakopwanga. Yithi sikhuphula amanamba yabafana sanibonani bafethu, and this is your boy uKatlego Ntariana Mula aka Mr. Soweto Kafela Motsiba aka Mr. Cool himself. Welcome to Ikasi Elivukile bafethu. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave your comment down below. Uthi Soweto Siketo bafethu. Behind the scenes niyazi bafethu mphethu DJ Black China bafethu, who's a producer, a DJ and a sound engineer. Then I have a Noxman SA also behind bafethu, who's a DJ, producer and a sound engineer bafethu. Niyazi mina bafethu, I'm all about ukuvusa ikasi, ukuvusa ilokishi. That's why sithi Ikasi Elivukile. Namhlanje bafethu siphethe imoto etshotshwe imali. Posh Panamera in the building. What's up? What's up bafethu bafethu? Ntwana abashanga yang intro lapho bazizoyena ubani.
Okay, mina nje before sikhuluma kakhulu ne ithi ngithi sibonga ukuvuswa umdala ekseni. Posh Panamera imoto egijimayo up and down nani niyazi cherry seSoweto na kanjani ebutsotini.
Eketho. As the Posh kune cherry etrendayo manje uMathando. Mfethu ungahlangana noMathando's indivele nishasoma collaboration encane wena naye.
Ngiyatshelwa ngale cherry sengikuthi angakayiboni. Nami nje angazi nokuthi iphuma va, but isohlangana naMathando's uyazi Posh Panamera imoto egijimayo up and
down.
Yes.
Izinja mfethu because uMathando's artist manje ungamthola easy wena ubhuka ama artist. Faka ibooking mfethu uhlangana nalomuntu inenza movement inenza into ehambayo.
Ithi siza masingini lawa lokawapheka ukuthi
ne
agijima kanjani.
Ne shout out to Mathando's, ngimbona no Youngstana, ngimbona no Lady Do. Like shout out to TikTok, shout out to everybody who's supporting. Shout out to all the black kids who putting it on bafethu, who are making sure the other kids are on. Bese phansi ngabona mona phansi. Thank God. Ntwana yami eish. It was quite like ngathini bekuthulile. It was quiet angazi. Ulokolo fam mfethu singacela ngala show. Kwenzakala what was happening? Bubi.
Yeah, the last time we spoke sonke as a family.
Yeah.
You interviewed me last December.
Yeah.
Then yeah, I went quiet for some time because I'm now behind the scenes most of the time.
Oh.
I'm pushing events. I'm in event curation. I'm also a marketing manager now.
Yeah.
I've got my own team that we use when it comes to pushing events. Okay. So that's why most of the time sengasa tholakali estrateni. I'm just working office.
Yeah, I was mangithi Ikasi Elivukile ngisuka ngisho izinto so mfethu I've been taking your videos. Yazi wena ngishuta njalo and thanks for coming ku Ikasi Elivukile ntwana yami. Yabo.
Congratulations once more.
Ntwana yami.
I'm so proud of you.
You know, ntwana, and I mean I'm happy to have people like you on the show because people like you abantu ababhuka abantu abafaka abantu on in terms of ama artists, abantu abahlanganisa abantu namanye ama artists. Basically you are one of the packages ye Ikasi Elivukile. So abantu bababona wena bayazi ukuthi Ikasi Elivukile. Yangithola. So awutshela abantu ukuthi uzeleni namhlanje ntwana yami.
Oh, okay. Today I came here vele ngiceda kusho ukuthi as an event curator.
Yeah.
My journey started back in 2019. Nani niyazi, I'm a storyteller by the way.
Aware.
So my journey started back in 2019. I was just sitting at home, ngizikenyekele.
Yeah.
Yeah. Ganti I'm scrolling ku Twitter app. When I was scrolling down ku Twitter app, I'm seeing an advert or I'm seeing a post coming from DJ Banzi uKatlego. Shout out to DJ Banzi.
Shout out.
He's now one of the DJs for Orlando Pirates, man. Number one.
Asibong Ikasi Elivukile.
Ikasi Elivukile.
Thank.
So DJ Banzi wafaka a post saying he's looking for ambassadors.
Yeah.
He's looking for ambassadors. He's starting this movement, which is Joburg Freshers.
Yeah.
It was happening in 2019. What is Joburg Freshers? Joburg Freshers, it was a freshers which was combining all the colleges in South Africa. It was combining all the universities in South Africa. So the universities that were part of Joburg Freshers, it was UJ, it was Wits.
Yeah.
Then the colleges that were part of the Joburg Freshers, it was Southwest Croughton College plus Rosebank College.
Okay.
So last Bantwana from these different colleges and these different universities, Sabafaka Lapa Entwen, what's this bridge? The bridge that
host Mandela Bridge. Mandela Bridge.
Yes, Mandela Bridge.
Yeah.
Yeah. So there Sahlanganisa different ambassadors, different influencers. We were part of the marketing team to make sure that the show is a sold out show. So that was my first experience for my event.
Yeah.
And it's not like a small event, it was a big event.
Yeah.
Because when it comes to the lineup, we had Umalum Rikirit. Yeah, may your soul continue to rest in peace. Yes, we had Umalum Rikiriki. We had Uyanga Chief. We had the Wrecking Crew. Imagine the Wrecking
You're the Wrecking Crew back.
back then.
Oh,
It was
shit.
Flame, it was Aries,
Yeah.
with his crew.
Yeah.
Then you remember MFR Souls?
Yeah.
Yes, we had MFR Souls. We had Yena DJ Banzi. We had Umo Flavor. We had Hotman Lebza the villain.
Yes.
It was something massive. We had Umlindo the vocalist, Asafina. We even had Oprikwana.
Oprikwana. Yeah. Shout out to my boy on time.
Oprikwana, that time he was trending for this singing, saying I nearly forgot this young man. Touchline
Touchline the truth.
Touchline the Truth was also one of
Touchline on time.
the acts for the event. Then when it came to the MCs, we had Robot Boy.
Robot.
Shout out to Robot Boy.
Show on time.
Tafash.
Shout out.
Even Tafaya, you remember?
Yeah. Shout out.
I don't know back then. Ukuthi they were a crew now, as abantu bama skits or as comedians, or they were just doing it individually, but they came there as a team.
Yeah,
it was something massive.
Yeah.
Then I realized they're good. Man, that says I've got something which is going on. That says I should carry on with this thing of being an ambassador, of being an influencer, and a person who's part of my event curation.
Wait.
Then jumping to the years moving forward, 2024, which was last year. Last year I had a God works in mysterious ways. He works in mysterious ways. If you can say there are miracles out there, I believe my life is always changing in different elevations each and every year. Maybe this thing is not happening. Then something big pops up.
Weird.
Then last year, shout out to Mr. X, DJ Mr. X.
Shout out X one time.
Yes, he called me for his Mr. X All Black Dome experience. He's doing it like Orlando Ubuntu Kral.
Yeah.
So last year I was part of the marketing team also. I helped with my team, my influencers from Twitter app. Made sure that the event trends on the Twitter app. The more the event trended, it's the more the show was a sold out show.
Success.
Even last year we had big acts in that space. We had Java. Bafethu. We had Java, we had Chaotic, we had KO. Hey, it was massive. It was massive, guys. I won't forget that night. We had Sean 101.
Shout out.
We had our sister Play Girl. She was playing her things on the ones and twos. Do you know Play Girl?
To Play Girl. Shout out to Play Girl one time.
I love that woman. Bruh. Play Girl can take you from I'm 30 years old.
Yeah.
So Play Girl can play different genres in one set.
Wait.
You won't predict ukuthi she came here, she'll play amapiano kuphela. No. She'll take you house, deep house. Ubone na ukuthi commercial. Sinini sekuyipiano. Sinini electro. Now uyabona ukuthi this girl is killing it. It's moving. Yes, then we had Jobe London
Job. And shout out. Who's the host or say little party?
No. He's hosting this coming Friday.
He's hosting this coming Friday with to Job London. Make sure you pull up by numbers and we make it happen.
Yeah.
We're making it happen every time.
I also saw his lineup. It's massive.
It's massive, Buffett. Make sure you pull up for Job London one time.
Now we are Shikasili.
Vugile.
We don't die, we
multiply.
Sharp. So Uchobena is still carrying the movement yabo. Nathi siyazi uqalile ngabo Kilakawo.
Yeah.
God gang. But now he's still killing it. As an individual.
Shout out.
I'm always proud of Uchobe. He knows that I love him so much. Then jumping from Mr. X. Last thing it's in Pumle Corner. 2024 ngiyabona ukuthi angathi sebangidemanda no. Ngiyangena Skanda Republic KO. Hayibo, Skanda Republic KO, he wanted me there to push his event for the 10 years, Skanda Republic.
Yeah,
It was
sure.
happening where Josie Carfax.
Mm.
Even there, it was massive where this girl who is doing things. Hey, she's beautiful, she's doing things. Zinumalo.
Yakazizwa ngixabanise endlini.
Ngoba?
Ithi kukhulume wena.
Oh, now uyathinta.
Na imeli ngicabanga ukuthi ngine crush kuziya and angina crush kuziya.
But she's beautiful.
Yeah, she is and she's talented.
Yes.
Yeah,
she
yeah.
shouldn't think ukuthi you have a crush.
Yeah.
You're just embracing the beauty.
And
right?
the talent.
And the talent.
Yeah.
So we had Zinumalo, we had the Qwelas. It was my first time seeing
the Qwelas.
Yeah, it was my first
Qwela
time
ring.
seeing this. Hey, Qwela ring.
The whole Qwel.
The Qwel, the Qo. I don't know. Hey, the Qwa. Yeah, but I mean, I'm a 90s.
Yeah.
Manje ama-2Ks and into zabo.
But it's still Qwela. At the highest level, it's a Qwela way.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ubaphethe.
Mphethe ngihlala nawona all type of 80s, 90s, 2000 and whatsoever. Sorry, but then with the story in South Korea.
Then we had the Qwelas, Malume wambeka khona, Casper Nyovest.
Oh.
My king, Mufasa.
Nyoviola.
He did the things. Our sis was also there, Nada Nakai.
Oh, the guy.
She did her things. The MC was Muesli. I love Muesli's.
No Muesli. Shout out. It's kind of queen.
Once your event has no Muesli.
Yeah.
Can you see the movement? Yeah, cannot DJs in
It's too much.
It's too much.
It's giving that girl power.
The girl power, and you can see Guti, they're working as girls. There's no beef.
Yeah.
Because you can amachera
Yeah. Lama ego lao. Yeah.
But I love their team.
Yeah.
Like
it's a beautiful movement.
It's a beautiful movement. I nearly forgot. I was also part of the Z Nation Fest. No, I didn't go with her.
Behind the scene most of the time.
Yes.
I will
so
shout
I was
out.
going with my own team, but I pushed marketing team. We were there pushing. Hey guys, buy the tickets for our mom. Buy the tickets for my mom. Young told
Yeah.
Z Nation Fest, and for her to start something like this now, risky. But at the end, it was a success. Yeah, it was a success. I'm happy for her, and I'm happy that it's coming back again this year.
Yes. You are rocking. We're pulling up.
We're pulling up. It's coming back.
Must make sure we're there.
Yes.
My boys must be there.
So that we can interview people.
Yeah. Abanye bazo DJ.
Okay. Oh, you also have DJ.
Yeah, I'm a DJ la man. Yeah. Shout out
then. Then from there, December, I'm saying it's Pumlile. Coming back to that story, Chris Brown, obvious Chris Breezy.
Yeah, the Wheezy.
Breezy. We're part of Chris Breezy, Wheezy, FNP Stadium, pushing, being the word of mouth and whatsoever.
Yeah.
Then jumping now to 2025.
Yeah.
It's a new year.
Oh, thank God we made it.
Thank God we made it.
Yeah. Then I have through the hardships.
Through.
When I was into this school, my behind the scenes that we've lost. That we've worked hard towards Zona, but then since losing the losers into lezo, but we are still here. That she went through.
Yeah.
But
but it was a lot.
It was a lot.
But sick, but I don't want to talk about it.
Yeah.
I
But-
don't want to talk about
But
it.
you don't want to touch base on go yakangani.
No, it's okay.
Ne?
Yeah, it was once. It's something which I took it as a lesson.
Yeah.
It was part of my life journey. It's a lesson. Yeah, it's deep. I don't want to talk about it.
So shout out to her. What she survived. She went through thick and thin. Same applies to me. I've lost something, but I started something. So it's a new year, it's a new start, and it's a new movement, it's a new everything. So tell us about the now. The new year.
Now you can see I'm wearing a crawl. My brother.
And shout out to the license, man. Shout out to the
thanks to the money from the entertainment industry.
Yeah.
I was able to make my own room.
Yeah.
Young child built rooms. Obviously, got a chance. 90 driver's license. Maybe this year 4 wheels in your knees of figure.
In God we pray, everything is possible.
Yeah. So now 2025, I'm part of the Kroll family. I'm now sponsored and dressed by Kroll. Yeah, it's massive.
Yeah, it's massive, boy.
Yeah. because i-crawl ngazi ukuthi into zeyinzula.
Yeah. Abo Big Zulu inkani.
Soweto,
Hey,
crawl,
crawl, and then
kanjani,
up behind the scenes.
behind the scenes. But now we are with the motto of crawl, we keep on moving.
Yeah.
Keep on crawling, we keep on
Yeah.
moving. So I'm happy, guys. 2025, I'm currently pushing again Mr. X All Black Dome, guys. It's happening on the 28th of June. Sanvalela, guys. I'm fun Sanvalela buntu crawl. Sanvalela. It's got to keep it phase 2. Phase 2 has Mr. Chezik. It has DJ Maporisa. It has Tracy and Tato Hati. Hey, shout out to Tracy and Tato Hati.
Shout out to Tracy and Tato
I
Hati.
love those women.
You know I have a song no Tato Hati, but it's hip hop.
Serious?
Yeah, it's on the net. You should check Ntariana featuring Tracy Tato Hati and Mpuspizi. It's on the internet.
Okay, I don't know Tato Hati. I know Tracy.
Yeah.
We're in one school with Tracy.
Oh,
It's
shut
from
up.
St. Matthew's song.
Oh.
Like if I was doing grade 11, she was doing grade 10. Like Onglandela.
Emuva.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know Tracy.
And she's a beautiful vocalist. Nine. I once had a chance to call her nine as Candy Soul and have a conversation. Tanazam.
And I love their music. It's
giving
touching.
that-
It's giving that
Yeah.
traditional
Yes.
vibe.
Yes.
One tall.
Yeah.
They're dangerous.
They're coming with fire.
Bazenenye.
Bazenenye.
Like South African vocalists should be
Worried by
worried
now.
by those two.
Abanye babo.
Abanye babo angeke sibatsho.
Abanye
Kodwa kumele
babo.
babe kuJune July.
Ha, futhi
Efrijini.
kunyiwe.
Yes.
And
Then-
okay, sorry. And shout out to Jazzy Q and Tamay.
Yeah, shout out,
Eh
my
ngiyancane
brother.
lela Hotman la
Shout out,
yami
my
leliyami
brother,
mfethu
yeah.
awungishanga phakathi ngaphandle azenzela.
Hey. When it comes to Jazzy Q, their song Pezwenye.
Yeah. With it's Pezwenye with
King P,
King P,
Miano, and Killer Punch.
and Killer Punch.
Yes. I even did a promo video. I was just doing it for fun.
Ay,
Ngithola sengiphezukwendlu
ay, ay, ay,
sengiyaphutha
ay,
phezukwendlu. I'm
ay.
like in a 6 gun phakathi.
In a
Check,
something.
But tell it
Something.
yes.
Shout out.
I love you, my brothers. Keep on moving. Nasiphakamisa siso wethu.
Away one
King
time.
P. Thanda isigubhu sakho ntanya.
Ay King P. Asifani nesaba.
Asifani
sabanye abantu.
uphakamisile naledi ntwana yami.
Kasilivukile.
Sibonge. Yes. Then we unlocked Uplay Girl again. Unlocked Uplay Girl. There's umalume wethu Professor. Singamshiya kanjani uKabza the Small? Singamshiya kanjani? King of
Indumba.
amapiano.
Angeke.
Kabza the Small naye he's part of the lineup.
Yeah.
Like ichubile.
Kumanzi phansi.
Kuman.
Phezukwenye.
Singamshiya kanjani KO? Jive kayo hayi bafethu. Singamshiya kanjani?
There's no like ema eventini wamanje uKO mele abe khona kuwo wonke because unengoma ne youth yamanje like unengoma ne Mcleara, unengoma no Simamane, unengoma no Daliwonga, unengoma no Youngstana. Probably zoba nengoma no Limit Crazy no Team Express, but hey, he's giving back to the community.
Yeah, he's
shout
giving
out.
back. Shout out. And I love people abakudala bangena egamini who are doing that.
Yeah.
Not thinking Gucci, no, I'm big, I'm just producing music alone.
Yeah.
But uyafaka.
Ufake into
Into lo Ricky bekayisho ukuthi listen to the kids.
Yeah.
Listen to the kids.
Yeah.
They are the movement.
Yeah.
They are the current movement.
Wait.
Yeah.
You know what's said about that? Ngibona izinto eztrend on Twitter and whatsoever ukuthi KO user intwana encane to get the cloud. But mina mangibona ngibona ngathi KO ufaka le ntwana kuma contact wakhe.
Yeah, he's uplifting the youth. He's seeing the talent, right? He's uplifting the youth. Now yazi ntarana akukho easy ukuthi ungene game. Yeah. Akukho easy ukuthi ungene game uyashayiseka ngamabonda. Nalapho ucabanga ukuthi sobamba umlilo khona. Ubhede. Kubhede ndoda.
Yo.
Uzuzibuza ukuthi hayibo kanti ngiloyiwe or kenzakalani.
Yo.
Uyayithola.
Var.
But at the end of the day, if you've got people like KO,
Yeah.
those people are the people that are embracing your talent. They embracing who you are. Like they identifying things that you don't see.
Yeah, wait up.
Yeah, totally.
Yeah.
So shout out to him.
Yeah. Cause it comes back to I know Mapiano was gonna rock, ne? But what's Mapiano without Maporisa? He was the first person to invest in Mapiano. Like he was the first person to invest to agri artist in
He
Mapiano.
even said it himself. He would have done a lot for this country.
Yeah, ukhiphile imali bafethu for ipiano lamuntu ukuthi ipiano likwazi kuba relevant ukuze sithole nabanye abantu aba relevant. Like we need to give credit when it's due. not always you have to criticize, because I'm a podcast, they're all based about criticizing.
I'm all about positivity.
Yeah, we are
guys, eh?
positive, that's why sithi kasilivukile
Yes,
thina.
I'm just pushing positive vibes.
Ne.
Yeah.
So on this, okay, sorry, we're gonna come back. I wanna ask a question. Kwelama event enwenzayo, how do you spot like young talent? Like we've been talking about big brands,
Yeah.
like I'm a potential upcoming. Young talent. How do you spot them? Do you spot intwana zasekasi? Uyazi ukuthi okay, untwana akaphuka. Athi ngokudonsa intwana, I'm gonna miss event, so just to keep your profile looking good.
Yeah, we do that. Mina khona intwana yami esekhasi uMalacosta. uMalacosta used to go with him in different events because I loved his image.
Oh,
He's
yeah.
wearing Lacosta from head to toe.
I was like, Malacosta.
Malacosta. He's coming from my hood, Extension 13 Protea Clan.
Yeah.
Then by the time I saw Guti, I'm going with him in different events. All of the sudden he was called by Pastor 929 to come to his studio. All of the sudden he was called by Ulazi to come to his studio. All of the sudden he was called by Uris Madlisa to come to his studio. He was even part of Uris Madlisa's music video.
Yeah.
So I saw Guti. No, if you do see ukuthi abanye abantwana they do have the potential, why kumele bavalelwe ngaphandle? And another thing, this app, TikTok is working, guys.
I shout out to TikTok one time.
Shout out to TikTok.
No, shout out to TikTok.
Facebook uyayibona, Instagram uyayibona.
Shout out to TikTok.
guys.
Shout out to the government ukuthi ba approve TikTok because kwamanye country ayikho. Thanks for that opportunity. No matter singakwazi ukumonetize, I wish we can monetize because now inokuveza ama advert TikTok
Yes.
more bukele. Yeah, we just need that. But for the culture, you played a big role. Like Instagram played a big role with hip hop.
Yes.
TikTok is playing a big role. Piano. There's
too
another app that will come, will play a big role to another culture.
Because go TikTok, we always see different faces, different people, and the moment you are paying stuff, siyacho. Siyacho. And now you hearing ukuthi ikwaito seliyabuyiswa khona la eBithini lefiyana.
Kuzonyiwa. Khotlong ga usabola.
There's this guy nemang scroller ku TikTok. The thing is I don't know his name. But ufaka amacici amakhulu.
Yeah.
Ngathi wasenaledi or something.
I know this bruiser the main.
So this guy ugibele
Umhlobo.
Oh,
ufaka ama 925.
Ufaka ama 925.
Ucula ngiyamthola.
Uvuse ikwaito lamfana and naye
Phezukwenye.
Hayi uza ngomunye umlilo. Khona le video le he just caught my attention ne. He's sitting in a taxi ku Quantum. Uloku yacula, he's not even wearing a t-shirt.
Yeah.
Ngapha ngathi kunempintsha yakhe eceleni. He's busy doing this gimmicks amalentuzana ama-lyrics. Then uyivala ngale tag labo Jay-Z nabo King P.
Smart
like
move.
it was a smart move. Labona when it comes to marketing.
Yeah.
That was a top-notch way.
Smart move.
Yeah.
Smart move.
I love that guy.
Shout out Poison.
South Africa says angisiza ukuthi ubani.
Angizabeka isithombe sakho. Make sure I find the boy ngibeka isithombe sakhe. And you know guys how Kwaito is still rocking.
Too much.
Like uzwa amapiano ne. Uzwa bo Pastor 929, uzwa bo Jeziki, uzwa bo Njeliki. Like monga mameli baseline. Ikwaito. You understand like bafethu ama artist ekwaito bafethu. New age kwaito leba yenza manje. Keep on pushing bafethu sinibhekile. It's not good sibheke piano kuphela. Sesilibhekene nelikompo ngapha. You just need more artists about to push the culture ekwaito. Yabamba nambile cause uRis noZuma bangena ngekwaito. Bangena album labo beki kwaito.
Yeah, it was a Kwaito film.
Yeah, you understand. Ye ibamba umhlaba namanje mongashaya insimbi zase-envy. Tum like ngathi speakiri la.
Even Rich Madlisa is still pushing
Ikwaito
as an individual.
Yeah.
So Ikwaito won't die.
Ikwaito is the mother and the father of music was in South Africa.
Yabona maso ufaka bo Kwaito, you just making me to be more happy because as a rap ne, as we wrapping up, because I don't want to speak and
like because sazobuya futhi buya
ngazo. Now I'm even part of this movement. It is called Simunye Music Series.
Oh, shout out, yeah.
Simunye Music Series Experience. So Simunye Music Series Experience, they just took it as Simunye We Are One. So Simunye Music Experience, it's all about embracing the richness
Yeah.
of South African music industry.
Yeah.
So now we're going to host different genres
Yeah.
in different venues.
Sharp.
That movement, it's going to include amapiano, likompo, hip hop, afropop, afrotech, young talk,
Ngiyakuthola.
kwaito,
Kwaito. Me, I'm coming for the kwaito.
kwaito boy.
Aye.
So our first stop is going to happen on the 5th of July.
Yeah.
We're there, essentially in Maracana.
Yeah.
Then it's going to be an amapiano event.
Yeah.
We've already unlocked 3 headliners.
Okay, who are those?
Rachel Zuma,
Shout out to Russell.
Setro.
You costume shini.
Oh, Mshini.
Hey, asuka lapho uzoncola. Shout out for Settle one time. Now he's one of the niggas who fell asokuma futhi. Kasi livukile mkhozi wami.
At the end of the day, in life, you do not give up.
Yeah, wa give up uzolimala.
Now you shouldn't give up. And if you are a child of God, you know that no one
Yeah.
under the covenant that gives up.
Ngeke nisivale.
You just pray. You just have to pray, then you'll arise again.
Abafethu, yazi Porsche. Kunabanye abantu ongabavala. Kunabanye abantu ongeke
Abangabaleki at
ubavale.
all.
They are the chosen ones.
Yeah, the chosen ones. Ngiyabonga. We are in the same
Yeah,
picture, ne?
yeah. That's why.
Me and you, we are the chosen ones.
Yeah. That's why you need to. Last year, like this year coming, we've lost a lot. So we have a lot in common. We are still going, Baba. We are not giving up.
Like
no
bro,
matter.
we're still moving.
Yo,
We're always moving.
Mfethu.
So the last act that we unlocked today,
Yeah.
it's Papi Cooper.
Papi. Aye, the Cooper way. Shout out to Papi Cooper on time.
So I'm so excited for that day on the 5th of July, guys. All road lead to Maracana. Let's all fill up Maracana, guys. In
Yeah.
September. Then when it comes to other months, we will keep on giving you different genres. But at the end, we want it to be a festival where all these genres will be combined in one place.
Yeah.
Because I think we should embrace the word Simone.
Simone,
We
kasi
are
livukile
one.
kahle kahle.
Kasi livukile. So at the end, sizoba munye, sibe one, sivalelane kuphi endaweni A.
One. Yes. So, Ntwana, before we wrap it up, please tell abantu your services that you provide. Maybe kunabanye abantu abafunda ukurenda ama-service wakho, but they don't know what you provide. They just know the event. Tell them more what you provide. Your services.
When it comes to my services, I'm all about pushing brands. I'm all about pushing artists. I'm all about pushing corporates. Ne? Trends.
Yeah.
I even said this on my first Quarter and Chill interview.
No.
I'm all
That time you are
about
cutting
pushing
it.
trends.
That name you are cutting it. You're not keeping it here. Keeping it there.
Okay. So I'm all about marketing, guys. I'm a market manager now. Marketing manager. I have my own team. So now I'm taken as an agency.
No.
I'm taking it as an agency because I do provide corporates, events, brands, my team, those individual influencers.
Yeah.
Uguti, no, we're part of this. Let's do this. I was even proud to be part of Shaka Ilembe. We were there at 4 Ways Mall. We were pushing Shaka Ilembe season 2.
I'm gonna give you pain and the grind on the low, eh?
I says
No.
I don't look down on my small beginnings.
Yeah. So, but face low push BTM, but face push Panamera. So tell people your handles so they can follow you, so they can render your services.
Oh, before I tell them my handles, there's a single that I've done. It's
Oh.
coming. I'm releasing next month, June. The single is about Kofifi, the establishment which is from my Kasi Protea clan.
Shout
Ikasili,
out. Vukile.
I'm all about embracing izinto zase.
Kasi.
So we're pushing a Kofifi, we're just giving them the honor, which is Yabonga Kofifi. So logo singakhengeke Protea clan is yawa mo.
Kofifi.
Yes. So please, guys, wait for the singing Kofifi. Then they can find me, Posh BTM, on Instagram, Posh BTM on Twitter space, then Panamera Posh BTM on Facebook.
Yeah.
Yes.
So bafethu thina la abantu engithina lapha ekhaya mara ngisekhaya nani manje because sengibukele nane episode angithi angiseke emakhemereni Moya bona escreenini kusho ukuthi nami ngibukele, but then kanje indaba. If you have a business, you're a local business owner and you want to advertise with us, you are more than welcome to come and advertise with us. If in an event you push out and you want us to talk about it, just holler at me in flyer yakho. I'll talk about the event. If you have a brand, bafethu, just drop a merchandise, we wear it, we give the gears to the boys. Siyalithatha ikazi silifake emepini bafethu. Angithi yazi I work most ama rap alekha ne fashion. So lithani impahla sibapheni yabona. Posh Panamera ntwana yami. Mina mabangifuna bangithola ku TikTok Ntariana_Mula. Then on Facebook is Katlego Mula. Then on Twitter is Ntariana yabona. Then I have Black China on all social platforms angisho. Ne then I have Noxman I say on all social platforms bafethu. Mina mntana mangithi kasi wena uthi livukile or asithi kasi livukile sithu ne. Okay mntana man 1 2 3 kasi livukile.
Asibonge.
Danke bafethu.
Asibonge.
Wait.
Yababona banomona ngoba ukuluvuya nona. Yebo Cleveland sazogcwala nalesitala zamampela singakopwama. Yithi sikhuphula amanamba yabafana thatha